Man, what's up, all my followers, man, and all you people watching and stuff like that. All right, so I had a small issue, Well, we had it multiple times. I tried something small, um, but I have some real powerful dogs. I have red-nosed pit bulls, so yeah, they're very powerful. So in the previous videos we showed y'all we had about 9 new chickens. We're down to 4. My dog somehow got into this and slaughtered some of the chickens. So, I'm building up a fence. Go. Hurry up. Get from around here. I told you to go. Don't come back over here. So, I'm just reinforcing it. So, I bought this guy and put this on around the edges because the original chicken wire was too thin and they ripped right through that, and got in there and slaughtered some of the chickens. So then I reinforced it with this around the bottoms, and I left a little space open and I kind of blocked it off with something. But animals are not as dumb as you get from over here. Get from over here. Hurry up. Go. So they found a way to move the stuff that, it was just this little section right here. And I set something right here. And they ripped it open and got in there and slaughtered some more chickens. So enough is enough. I promised my wife I'll protect the chickens. So I don't have a video on me putting these posts in the ground, but I started putting these posts in the ground. I bought all the material I needed to put these posts in the ground. I want to make a little opening. Something. Get from over here. Get from over here. Hurry up. But so I'm gonna let you guys watch me. I'm gonna start putting up the deer wire. I'm gonna do an enclosure. I don't know if you can see everything. Let me get the camera and just show y'all a little preview of what I'm finna do. Alright, so as you can see, it starts over there. It came out from about 15 feet for that, because that's a solid fence there. This little flimsy chicken wire was too weak for. My dogs are monsters. But it comes up 15 feet, goes across here, and goes back behind that one 15 feet, and then connects over to here. So it'll be a little enclosure with them. I'll let y'all see what it looks like when I'm actually done. But he's the corporate, and now he wants to sit there and act all innocent. He's the corporate, and he gets the little guy back there to follow in with him. That's his son. That's Chango. So I came out one morning and saw chickens in the yard. I'm like, how did these chickens get in the yard? And I come outside, and the fence was ripped open. He had one of the chickens back there, slaughtered it. The little guy was inside the chicken coop slaughtering a chicken. Let me go deal with this. You see what he's doing? That's what you need to do. Alright, y'all, stop putting the fence on there. Stop putting the fence around there. It's pretty sturdy. Let y'all see it. It's pretty sturdy. Satisfied. Satisfied. Yeah, it's pretty sturdy. Y'all gotta see how I'm doing this by myself. I don't look at no YouTube videos. Let me start. I did put a little, whatever you call them, to strap the fence on the T-bar. But other than that, I didn't look at any YouTube videos. All right. Y'all see him trying to hang with me. He's trying to apologize for what he's done. I'm not trying to hear it. I'm not trying to hear it. But yeah, we're making progress with this fence, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna show y'all the outcome. I'm gonna create a little door and all. How I'm gonna do it, I don't even have a clue yet. But y'all stay tuned. Hey, everybody. So I was trying to twist these little things on with these tools. It was beating me, y'all. It was beating me bad. So, some wifey to Tractor Supply, she got this little gadget for me. Man, this thing worked miracles, man. I'm gonna get a little closer and let y'all see how it works when I put it on. It works so much better. That noise y'all hear in the background, man. Yeah, that's wifey. She out there. She want to finish cutting the grass for me so I can finish the fence, man. Appreciate that help from. We'll let y'all check out. All right, everybody. So, wifey said hi. Hope y'all seen her. So I'm gonna get a little closer. Let y'all kind of see what I was doing. Yes, sir. All right, everybody. So let's see. I hope y'all can see, man. I hope y'all can see. All right, so you're supposed to stick this little tool. Y'all don't laugh, man. I looked it up on YouTube. Hold up. All right, so you stick this tool in there, and then you spin it like that. So you do that like that. Stick this in here to pull that around a little bit. Bam! Y'all see that shit? I did it. I did it. I hope y'all saw it. Well, she's doing a good job, man. She's doing a good job cutting around the greenhouse. Y'all see, like I say, putting the fence around this so them pit bulls don't get in there and slaughter my chicken. All right, all right. I'm getting there. I'm getting there. It's going a little bit faster. I probably was supposed to roll that first. Because it has a little, it's not bad, but in here, I'm going to put 2x4s in there. Just put 2x4s in there to hold it. Just put it over and make it nice and sturdy. And then I'm going to put some braces on the inside. So I just so like she got to get the wood measure and take this. She going to make a door. So I'm going to put one more in there. So I got, she make a door. Then the door can be about this size. Y'all probably can't see me. But the door. The door can probably be about right there. That's what I want to. Yeah. No, I'm good. Oh, that'd be a good thing to do. All right, so yeah, I'm going to put that right there. Y'all just watch me. Oh, my God, this audience. That one I guess was kind of off. I could have made a straight one, but I guessed it. That right here? $100 something? That's 100 feet. Yep. Yep. Ain't no way gonna make it home. Yeah, if you look at that, see him. After Whiskey walk down, Whiskey turn around and don't even bother him. He just still holler. Yeah, let me get his daddy's on that. Yeah, I'm sorry, y'all. I should have showed y'all the process with us cutting these pieces of wood and we're putting down this wire because we're gonna make a door. Um, yeah, so we're gonna make a door. I should let y'all see what was going on. Y'all watch us struggle to put some nails in a little piece of wood. Not sure what happened, but we stripped the drill bit.
I stripped it, guys. How are you guys doing?
All right, so my baby figured out. I told her to get the door put together, and this is what she came up with, and I think it's a very cool idea. I really think so. So, like I say, is you gotta do the honors of cutting off the ones that we messed up on. Remember how I showed you how to do it?
This brings fire, guys, and I'm don't have the proper gear.
Hold it with two hands. You gotta go a little lower than that. A little lower than that. Put it at an angle. Yeah. Perfect. Y'all see it, y'all. Fire! Now get that other one over there. Let me zoom in so y'all can get a better look. Cool. She did it. Awesome job, baby. Awesome job. High five. She did it. So, like I say, man, we're creating this door. Let y'all see how they look when we're actually done. Shout out to my power tools. Told you your boy getting power tools. Get your weight up. Alright, everybody, we is making this fence. Like, I really think she came up with a cool idea. Like, and we're gonna call this the thrift store door because all the wood is used. So you pulled it tight, like you said?
Yeah, I think it's tight.
Let me hold this. That's good.
Yeah.
I got a feeling tonight's gonna be a good night.
Wait, hold on. It's on the bottom. Look, it's.
It didn't look straight. It's still not straight. Look, see this line? It's supposed to run along this line. So slide it over, 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 slide it over. Perfect. A little bit more. Just a tad. Yeah, perfect. So everybody, we're not gonna let the doggies get hungry again.
Yeah, we have to do this for the dogs. They're terriers, so what they need to do is going home with my chickens.
Shit. Yeah, look like I don't know how to use a drill. Everybody ain't.
What? It's like it's something inside the wood, but it's not. So it wasn't me.
That other side gave us pressure like that too. And
That's that thick branching wood. That's what table wood.
like, I'm not sure why that's not going in, but we done stripped one head already, and it's about to strip another one. Yeah, just like it just stopped fucking spinning.
Yep. You want to stick it out?
Yeah.
Go over to the edges of it. Well, it seems like something was something over there in the woods. You hear it?
All the time. I seen it earlier. It's a squirrel.
That's a squirrel?
Yeah.
Wow. Is it the wood?
Is it something in there? Because it just don't want to go. The rest of them was pretty easy. All right, y'all. So I'm going to have to turn y'all off so y'all don't see us struggling, man. But y'all know what time it is. Morning, everybody. Morning, everybody. Just the next day. Next day we at it. So as you can see, I'm putting that fence together. Coming along very nicely. So I had to create an entrance to go in there. So as y'all know, she created that door. I put some hinges on it. See that thing swing. Well, let me prop this camera up so y'all can really see it. Alright, so that should be a good view. Let y'all. So, you know, I put some hinges on it. Found the hinges off of Amazon. So I'm going to drop another pole here and put a latch. So she'll be able to latch it. It does turn outside also too, but I have to bend this wire in or something like that so it could be able to swing out if she wanted to, but it also swings inside perfectly with no problem. She told me I put it on backwards. That's how it was supposed to be on the inside. Well, I think it still look good, but I'm gonna make it look nice for her so she'll really, really enjoy it. But I gotta run to the hardware store and get some more T-posts. So let me take y'all on the other side. Alright, so we're gonna walk around to the other side. Alright, so this little trash over here I just took off on top of this, because this thing was here when we moved here. It's something like it was like a cage, like somebody had created this and put this here. We used it for a little while to get the chickens, to grow the chickens up, but I'm finna tear that down. I'm gonna tear that down because I'm gonna buy a shed and put a shed right here so she can keep all the feed in there and stuff like that. And I'm gonna extend this fence from this pole to that other pole down there, so the dogs won't have no way to get in. But yeah, that's what we doing, man. Y'all stick with me. Yeah, everybody, I had to turn the camera off, man, because, you know, I think I said it before in another video, I'm a city boy, so I'm not really too fond of nature. So I turned off the camera while I struggle to flip this thing over, making sure we ain't have any snakes or lizards in there. So I could deal with a snake, man. You know what's crazy is lizards fold me up. Like I get so, like they make my flesh crawl, man. Like I can't stand to see a lizard and one jump on me, all hell gonna break loose. So I had paused the video so y'all won't see that part. But don't get it twisted now. It's either me or the lizard. The lizard gotta go. It just make me very uncomfortable. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and tie this door closed. So I think I'm gonna keep flipping this out. I got a pile of stuff that I'm making so I can burn, like some old tree branches and stuff like that. And you know, I flipped this thing open. We still got little lizards hanging on and still standing up here and shit. Like, it be the lizards like that that get me. It's like, you bold as fuck for a reason. Like, why is you hanging around? Funny, yo, this money got me hooked. I used to homemade slang dope snatch books. See all these little cracks and crevices, man. They got all type of little shit hiding in there. This thing been sitting back here for a while, so. And by it not being used, so much for tying that door closed. By it not being used, it became a safe haven for a lot of little critters. I might save these little pieces. I probably could do something with them later. That one kind of messed up, so I ain't gonna save that one. No, everything ain't saved. But yeah, let me take y'all over here and look at the space now that that thing is moved. So it's like I think at the shed I'm gonna get like gonna be an 8x10 or something like that. I'm gonna put it in there. Go ahead and trim up this big tree right here. Trim up this tree, clean that up, and so I'm gonna get rid of that back there too. Y'all remember that in the first video? That was where we brought up the little chickens after they came out of here. Once they became like teenagers, we had put them over there and stuff, but it kind of got flooded back there. I returned from the hardware store. Like I said, I had to buy some more T-posts. So finish off this back part. I bought 5 more. I think I needed 2, but I bought 5 just in case. The chicken's following me because I just ate a corn on the cob and threw it to the other ones over there. So I know they like, oh man, you didn't share with us. That one went in a little cricket, but like I said, I'm putting a shed right here, so they're gonna kind of be blocked off anyway from the sites of the imperfection. I ain't banging this one in far enough, huh? All right, I'm gonna fix it. Make sure it's straight. Here we go. All right, I think I'm gonna start on this end over here, and then make my way down that way. Sorry for the silence, everybody. Yeah, I'm used to listening to some music and just working on little projects. I'm writing by myself today. Wife on the inside cleaning up the office, throwing away all the old paper and stuff that yes, beginning of our relationship. She always thought she was gonna need it one day. I told her the internet got everything. The internet is the storage. When you store the papers in your home. And minimalist. Like very little, clean. You know. All right, so we'll pull this down. Keep rolling it out. And we get over to this end. Then we're gonna pull this off. Chop the fence off. Pretty this off. And we done. I got your money up, and now I got my feet up. Soon in this bitch, tell my boy throw them bees up. Doing what the fuck I want. Taking all the fuck you want. Real niggas fuck with me, and I don't give a fuck who don't. Prison in February, and I ain't in no rush. And I do appreciate y'all watching this whole thing. So just want y'all know I got a workout channel as well, y'all talking about FL, FLB, Florida Lawbreaker. Yeah, y'all come join me. So I came out, she came out of the chicken roll. We got some eggs in there. She might get some eggs. Yeah, I had to do a quick pause. Wifey came out here with her little conversation that's not meant for recording. People come and hassle me, gonna slam me down and wrestle me just to put on handcuffs and charge me with resistance when they told me to throw my hands up. All right, everybody, I'm back, man. So this is one of my new babies I got, man. One of my new babies I got. I'm loving it. Yeah, so I just let the dogs out for a minute. I kind of like them roaming around the yard when I'm out here. I don't really care for an audience. I like the little solo. Yes, sir. All right, so we got it done. So I need to put some more zippies right in there in the corner. And I appreciate y'all for following me. So like I was saying earlier, man, I got a little workout channel, man. You know, it's all about staying fit, man, health as well. So FLB, you know, Florida Lawbreaker in the building. You know, look, just motivational workout channel. Man, y'all follow me, man. Appreciate y'all for watching me. Peace. Say thank you. You're welcome.